Hey, it's the old Florida boy back with you. Happy Monday, everybody. I thought that I would jump in on the Mess Kit Monday that's going on. You know, we got the Canteen Cup Tuesdays, which is pretty established, but let's get Mess Kit Monday going too. Today I'm going to do one out of my French military mess kit, which is really, really cool, by the way. I haven't used it too much, so this is a really good excuse to use it. I got that. I have the Czech mess kit. I don't have the GI mess kit, but I really want one. So I'm going to do the Mess Kit Monday, and I'm going to combine it with a kind of a compare and contrast the Hormel Completes Stroganoff. Okay? And I actually got two of these. And these are really easy to carry and really easy to fix up. And I'm going to kind of compare it to the Mountain House Stroganoff, and we're going to see how it stacks up nutritionally. So here we go. Mess Kit Monday.
Something in the water that's calling my name.
Okay, we're going to do it on our Luxottica folding stove and our little beer can burner today. So, while I'm setting up, I thought I would show you this. Stroganoffs, not bad. And we got 9 ounces, which isn't too bad. You know, we got our nutritional info, which is not bad. It really compares to the Mountain House stuff. It's a little high in the sodium count, but you'll see how it kind of compares more favorably to the Mountain House stuff in a few minutes. So while I'm setting up, you know, just want to show everybody my French military mess kit. It just dumps out here. We're going to use the big one because I think 2 of those are going to make enough. We got the little plate and the smaller one here, so that's really cool. So, all right, we're going to put that somewhere. All right, we're going to use our little alcohol burner. And this is cool. If you're using this with alcohol, just a burner, you can leave out the top and just put it right in. So, we're going to get this going. First, we're going to get these out of here. And let's see. All right. Yummy. I don't know. This is looking kind of all right, smells not bad. All right, it definitely looks a little bit better. Doesn't taste too bad. All right, there's one. Now that really doesn't make too much at all, so we're gonna put in number 2. All right. And these are so easy to carry in your pack. I mean, phew, these things are like take anywhere. Okay. That's not bad. It's looking kind of thick. So what I think I'm going to do is get a little bit of water. We're just going to cut it with a little bit of water. See if we can make a little gravy. That'll be a lot easier to heat up. All right. Hey, that doesn't look too bad. All right. We get this on the fire and we'll get going. All right. This is one reason why I love the Luxottica, because it's got a nice square top, you know, and that's starting to bloom. It's got a nice square top, so if you use a square pan, it's really, really easy. Hey, this does not look too bad. Okay, that's gonna heat up pretty quickly, I think, because, oh yeah, I think it's already sizzling. I only have about an ounce of alcohol in there because really anything that is ready in the microwave in 60 seconds is basically already cooked. All you're doing is heating it up. So that's good. Oh yeah, we're bubbling here. Look at that. This French mess kit is great. I'm going to use this more often. I kind of like this mess kit Monday. I get to just participate and relax. All right. Wow, that's really heating up quick. Starting to bubble. Oh yeah. Oh man, this is going to be good. This stuff isn't bad. You know, sometimes the Mountain House stuff can get taste kind of like wet cardboard, and this is entirely different. What you're doing on the Mountain House is you're boiling the water to reconstitute the freeze-dried stuff, and in this you're just adding a little water to just make some gravy. Okay, this looks like it's cooking up pretty good. Wow. And a square, any kind of a square pot on the Lixada stove, I mean, just works great. So I'm going to continue to heat this up and I'll show you the finished product. Okay, here we go. The Hormel Completes. The only really bad kicker about the Hormel Completes is they're 800 milligrams of sodium a piece. But if you look at the Mountain House nutritional info and you get the one that's 2.5 servings of the Mountain House beef stroganoff, it's 2.5 servings, and they break it down on the back and they say it has 800 milligrams per serving. So if you eat that whole bag, you're getting 800 times 2.5, so you're getting 2,000 milligrams for that whole bag. This, if you dump 2 of them in there, you get 1,600 milligrams. So that's the only bad part. So let's see how this looks. That's not bad. I mean, it looks like beef stroganoff. You can actually see mushrooms and stuff in there. It really wouldn't be right without a little bit of cheese. All right, and it really wouldn't be right without a little bit of Louisiana hot sauce. Now we're talking. All right. Let's see what we got. That's an interesting taste. What's that? That's interesting. So, Mess Kit Monday. Hormel Completes Stroganoff. I think that is a really good alternative to the Mountain House stuff for trail food. I think it's a really good alternative. They're nice and easy to pack. They got a shelf life when you buy them of over a year, and it actually looks like beef stroganoff. It's actually got mushrooms and stuff in there. Look at that. And my French military mess kit. If you don't have one of these, that's a good investment. So, a little cheese and hot sauce always makes it right. All right. This was fun. This is my first Mess Kit Monday. I think I'm going to start doing these on Monday. I already have another Canteen Cup Tuesday ready to go for tomorrow. I think you're going to enjoy it. Once again, on the left-hand side, you're going to see some suggested videos. On the upper right-hand corner, you're going to see my subscription box. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share if you want to. And once again, coming to you from my back porch and my wilds of my garage, this is Matt the old FloridaBoy saying, I will see you on the trail.